கண்ணா இங்க பாருங்க, நேரா எழுந்து உட்காருங்க. Last year in first standard you studied numbers from 1 to 20 and number names 1 to 10. From in second standard you will learn numbers from 1 to 100. You must know the numbers 1 to 100 and number names. Number names also 1 to 100. We are going to learn number 1 to 100. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50,